This easy Chef Granite Fry Pan is like a dependable friend in your kitchen. It measures 8 inches, which is a great size for cooking single servings or smaller dishes. The gray color looks modern, and the granite coating gives it a nice look, and it helps keep food from sticking. So, whether you are making omelets for breakfast or stir-fries for a quick dinner, this pan can handle it. It is also PFOA free, which is good to know for your health, and it works on induction cooktops, so it is quite versatile, and many pans are not. The non-stick surface of this easy Chef Granite Fry Pan makes cooking easier. Eggs slide right off, and you won't have to scrub hard after cooking. This is a big plus for busy days when you want to cook without the fuss. The pan heats up evenly, so your food cooks well without hot spots. You can use it for many things, not just eggs. Think about cooking a steak or a simple saute. It feels solid but not too heavy, making it easy to handle as you cook. Many reviews praise how easy it is to clean this pan after you experience its non-stick magic. In conclusion, the easy Chef Granite Fry Pan is a solid choice for your kitchen. It is an 8-inch non-stick skillet with a granite coating. This makes cooking and cleaning simpler. It is healthy because it's PFOA free, and it works with induction stoves. While it might not take you to Brazil, this easy Chef Granite Fry Pan will surely make your daily cooking a better experience. It's a practical pan for making omelets, stir-fries, and more, and it could easily become one of your go-to pans. Pros: non-stick coating, granite coating, healthy stone, PFOA free, induction ready, easy to clean. Heats quickly, heats evenly, stay cool handle, durable build. Cons: handle can come loose, handle may fall off, handle felt a little loose, bulky handle, middle of pan bowed, uneven cooking, non-stick might degrade, not the longest lasting, might need replacing, dishwasher use. Not ideal features: 8-inch, non-stick, frying pan, skillet, granite coating, egg pan, omelet pan, saute pan. Healthy stone, PFOA free. This easy chef always 8-inch frying pan is a non-stick skillet with a granite coating. It's good for cooking eggs, omelets, and for sautéing. The pan is made with healthy stone material and is PFOA free. It can be used on all kinds of stovetops, even induction cooktops. It's gray and easy to clean. The Easy Chef 8-inch non-stick frying pan is designed with a non-stick granite coating. Advertised as a healthy and PFOA free stone cookware that's induction ready. It's said to heat quickly and evenly and features a stay cool handle, aiming for easy cooking and cleaning. However, some users have reported issues such as the handle becoming loose or falling off, a bulky handle, a bowed middle leading to uneven cooking, and concerns about the non-stick coating's durability, suggesting it might not be the longest lasting and dishwasher use isn't ideal.